What if you could create high-quality, engaging content in a fraction of the time, using the power of artificial intelligence? This is no longer a pipe dream, but a reality that many content creators are already experiencing. With the latest advancements in AI technology, it's now possible to automate many aspects of the content creation process, from research to publication. In this episode, we'll explore the best AI tools for content creation and provide a step-by-step guide on how to use them to take your content to the next level. We'll also discuss the potential risks and benefits of using AI in content creation and what the future holds for this rapidly evolving field.
Let's dive deeper into the world of AI-powered content creation. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the emergence of AI tools like ChatGPT, which can generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds. These tools use advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and create content that is tailored to specific topics and audiences. We'll explore the best ways to use these tools and provide tips and tricks for getting the most out of them. We'll also discuss the potential applications of AI-powered content creation, from marketing and advertising to education and entertainment.
However, not everyone is convinced that AI-powered content creation is a good thing. Some argue that it will lead to a loss of jobs for human content creators, and that the quality of the content will suffer as a result. Others are concerned about the potential risks of AI-generated content, such as the spread of misinformation and the erosion of trust in traditional media sources. We'll examine these concerns and provide a balanced view of the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI-powered content creation. We'll also discuss the latest trends in AI regulation and what this means for the future of content creation.
So what does the future hold for AI-powered content creation? One thing is certain: the field is evolving rapidly, and new developments are emerging all the time. We'll explore the latest advancements in AI technology and what they mean for the future of content creation. We'll also discuss the potential applications of AI-powered content creation, from virtual reality and augmented reality to the Internet of Things and beyond. And we'll provide a roadmap for content creators who want to stay ahead of the curve and make the most of the opportunities that AI-powered content creation has to offer.
In conclusion, AI-powered content creation is a rapidly evolving field that offers a wide range of opportunities and challenges. By understanding the latest trends and developments in this field, content creators can unlock the full potential of AI and take their content to the next level. So if you're ready to master AI-powered content creation and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving field, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes like this one. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.